What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Jesse W. And today we're going to go over the $1,000 Betterment Challenge. Check it out. Alright, guys, so as you know, and if you don't and you're new around here, back in July, August, I started a $1,000 Betterment Challenge. Betterment is one of these auto investors that you answer some questions. It kind of gauges your risk tolerance and goals and sets up an investment portfolio for you. So I figured it'd be fun to do for the channel, and I jumped on in with $1,000 initial investment, and every month I put $100 into the account and let it do its thing. And we're going to do that for an entire year. And once a month we go over to see how it's performing. So today is December 2nd, and we're going to go over and see what the current status of the account is. So as of right now, let's see, we have made $6.95 in dividends, including pendings, and market return of $44.54, giving us a profit of $51.06 by doing nothing, absolutely nothing, just putting the money there and forgetting it even exists. Okay, so far I've deposited $1,400 into the account, my $1,000 initial deposit plus $100 monthly. So right now current balance is $1451.06. So it's nice to see it in the green. It was in the red right when we started, because right when we opened the account, the very next day or the very next week, something like that, we had a real nasty dip in the market. So far we've had an internal rate of return of 4.4%. Not terrible, better than a savings account, right? And what else do we have? I've had 5 deposits, which was my initial $1,000 plus 4 follow-up $100 deposits, which happen every month. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see the activity. Well, the activity we already know. That's what I went over. $100 deposit done on November 29th. Holdings. Let's check out the holdings as usual. U.S. stock market. 21% of the investment is in the U.S. stock market, and 5% in large caps, 4% in mid caps, 3.9% in small caps. International developed market stocks 15%, and international emerging market stocks 10%. So we got some municipal bonds here at 13%. Don't know why, because I have this. Oh, I'm looking at, I think I was looking at the wrong one, guys. There we go. Sorry about that. That was an old one which has no money in it, so I guess it's just giving me the old information on it. Here we go. Yeah, see, 1442 current balance, and we're 100% stocks. There we go. So 35.2% stock market, 9.5 U.S. stock market, 9.5 U.S. value stock large cap, mid cap 7.7, small cap 6.5. International developed market stocks 25.9, and international emerging market stocks 15.2%. respectively. So that's 100% stocks. That's all I have there, because I didn't want to go into bonds or anything like that, because this is supposed to be an aggressive investment account. At least that's what I wanted. So let's see what else we have here. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's really not much else to this one this month. It's gone up steadily, so that's real nice. We were in the red here, as you can see, in August. Let's see, the account was open July 29th apparently. August 5th, we were down $58, and we were down $61 August 24th. August was a red month, I guess, for the market. And ever since then, we've just taken it all back and gone into profit mode here. And we're up $51 on the account. So we're looking forward to see what this could become over the next year. I believe let me see here. We should be able to see some projections. Portfolio analysis, maybe here. Here we go. See, it says I'm too aggressive because I have it just 100% stock. So target in 1 year will be $2,420. And this is the range. So like usual, we've gone over this before. There is a, well, that's December. Let's go to August. Okay, so there we go. August, there's a 2.5% chance we'll hit $3,000, a 10% chance we'll hit $2,758, and a 90% chance we'll hit $1,959. And there's a 97.5% chance we'll be at $1,793. So it'll be interesting to see what it does from here to then, and look back at all these videos and see how the progression went. If the market continues to make new highs and the economy stays strong and we continue to push, then we're going to make money on this. If it doesn't, then we're going to break even or lose a little bit. So let's see what happens. Let me know if you're doing this as well, or what you do for long-term investments. Remember, I'm only doing this for 1 year. My real long-term stuff is in Vanguard for retirement, etc. This is just for fun for the channel. What do you do for these long-term investments, or what do you do with your profits from your day trading? Drop that in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.